Hello, beautiful friends. Sunflower today, let's talk about one of the most versatile, comfortable, and stylish pieces you can have in your wardrobe, the tunic top. Tunics are those wonderful pieces that combine comfort with elegance, perfect for any casual outing, especially if you're looking for something relaxed yet flattering. Pairing a tunic with leggings is a match made in heaven. Leggings provide the perfect balance to the loose fit of the tunic, creating a look that's streamlined yet comfortable. This pairing gives you freedom to move, while still looking effortlessly chic. And the best part? Tunics come in so many styles, colors, and fabrics, making it easy to find one that suits your personality. Let's add a bit of fun with a loose wave hairstyle. It's a look that's casual, carefree, and pairs beautifully with the relaxed vibe of the tunic. Loose waves add a touch of softness and frame your face in a way that feels fresh and youthful, echoing the easygoing style of the outfit. Picture this look on a coffee date with friends, where you're relaxed and enjoying good company. The comfort of your tunic top and leggings lets you focus on being present in the moment, feeling comfortable and confident in your style. Tunic tops are truly the ultimate go-to for any day when you want to feel put together with minimal effort. So slip on your tunic, let your waves fall softly, and savor the beauty of comfort and elegance combined.